Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Orange color, chocolate color, blue color, pink color, green color, red color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart and star. First we're going to draw the shapes. Hexagon, circle, next pentagon, next triangle, next heart, next kids star. Now we're going to put the color. Pink color, hexagon, blue color, circle, chocolate color, pentagon, green color, triangle, red color, heart, orange color, star. What we learn? We learn pink color, hexagon, blue color, circle, chocolate color, pentagon, green color, triangle, red color, heart, orange color, star. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.